Hey out there, Facebook land, or wherever it is you're hearing this. I'm Patricia Rosatello. Today I'm sharing some of the insights that I have learned over the years, which have been clarified a whole bunch for me this fall at Info Summit. So we're talking about how to become an infopreneur, why you should be one. Almost everybody, if you're selling something, you end up being an infopreneur, even if you don't know it. And so if you are already one, you know how to make this a whole lot more profitable. So in this session, we are looking at $1 million question number 1. I've got 4 $1 million questions that you should ask yourself. This is the first one. The first one is, what are you doing in your business that the competition is not or will not do, or which is proprietary? Okay, so here, for the most part, we're looking at your competition to see what they are doing or what they're not doing. And as easy as this is, it is as important as this is, rather, it is easy to get stuck on what they're doing and how to compete with them. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this simple, and we're going to look for gaps, things they are not doing. And keep in mind that maybe something you're doing is proprietary. You're the only one doing it. But this will help you figure that out. So we're going to look at them to determine what they do. So you're going to look at, their webpage. You're going to talk to clients of theirs, maybe. You're going to, ethically spy on them. Okay? You're going to look at their advertising. If they advertise in the yellow pages, go, look in the yellow pages, look at their ad. I like to use a spreadsheet. You're going to make a list of competitors down the side, down the left side. And then you're going to have columns across the top to, mark the things that they do, specific things they do, the things that they offer. As you come across new things that a competitor does, add a column, check off the people doing it, right? And, this is going to give you a real visual representation of what your competitors are doing, what they're not doing. As an info marketer, I typically, yes, you do need to pay attention to your competitors. Also remember that they can't compete with you because they're not you. So it ends up being an oranges to apples type of comparison. Okay, so action step. Make a spreadsheet, open Excel, go to Google Docs, Google Drive. And, pick 3 to 5 competitors, watch them on wherever they are, look up their websites, look at just, there's ways to find out what people are doing. You're going to learn a lot about what they do well, what they do poorly, what you can do better, stuff that they don't do. You're going to learn a lot, and you're going to find a place where you can position yourself. Was this helpful? This kind of information is what I drove 900 miles from my home in northern Minnesota to Cleveland, Ohio for. I spent 5 days soaking up information on how to build a business, on how to be a highly proficient marketer, and I took 3 notebooks full on the sessions that I was able to attend. And now, crazy me, I'm not charging for this. I'm making these notes available for you for free, no charge whatsoever. You want your totally free copy? Hop on over to authorityblueprint.us/notes. You can see the URL on the screen. There should be something above or below this in the description. So hop on over and I'll hook you up. And hey, I'll be back again in our next session. We're going to look at $1 million question number 2. What is it that you have that others don't? Alrighty, catch you there. Bye-bye.